In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and secure the built-in Brave wallet. First things first, open the Brave browser. The wallet you'll use is built directly into Brave, so you don't need to install any extensions. That's great for security and ease of use. Before you begin, make sure your browser is up to date so you get the latest wallet features and security improvements. If you haven't updated in a while, take a moment to do that now. With Brave open, look to the top right of your toolbar and click the wallet icon. This is your gateway to managing crypto and, in many regions, other digital assets. Because it's integrated, you're interacting with Brave itself rather than a third-party add-on, which helps streamline setup and reduces the risk of fake extensions. Now you'll choose how to get started. If you're from brand new, select the option that says Need a new wallet. This will create a completely fresh wallet. If you already use MetaMask or another wallet and want to bring it into Brave, choose the Import option instead. Importing lets you keep your existing addresses and, where supported, your balances and transaction history. Just make sure you're doing this on your own device and in a trusted environment. Next, you'll create a strong password. Treat this like a serious lock on your wallet. Use a unique password you don't use anywhere else, and make it long and hard to guess. This protects access on your current device. Brave will then show you a unique 12-word recovery phrase. This is the master key to your wallet. Write these words down carefully in the exact order and store them safely offline. Don't take screenshots, don't copy them into Cloud Notes, and never share them with anyone. If someone gets your recovery phrase, they can control your wallet. If you lose it, no one can restore it for you. Consider writing it on paper and keeping it in a secure, private place, or using a durable backup method you can access later if needed. To make sure you've saved it correctly, Brave will ask you to verify the phrase by entering the words in the right order. Take your time here and double-check each word. This step ensures there are no typos or missing words before you proceed. Once you've verified, you're all set. Your Brave wallet is ready to use and you can access it anytime from the wallet icon. Keep your password private, keep your recovery phrase offline and secure, and you'll be in a great position to manage your assets safely within Brave.